Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 Lexus LS 460 F Sport. This one's a ultra white. Underneath the hood is a 4.6 V8 pushing out 386 horsepower. We've got front and rear LED daytime running lights. 19-inch blacked out wheels. Tires are in good condition. F Sport badging. Red and black leather interior. Sunroof. Coming around back. We've got our LS 460 F Sport badging. Open up the tailgate here. Set of clean floor mats, cargo cover. Coming alongside here. This one does come with a blind spot assist, keyless entry, nice wood trim, memory seats, power windows, power seats, nice leather steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, a rear view backup camera, navigation, dual climate controls, radio, our buttons for our media display, automatic transmission, different driving modes, heated and cooled seats. This Lexus has 42,339 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Lexus LS, check out feldmanimports.com.